Hi folks, welcome back to Blackbeard's Detailing YouTube channel. I'm Ross. Today I have this Golf GTI in. It's 10 years old. How did that happen? I remember these when they first came out. It's in for a bronze ceramic package, so it's going to get full correction done on it. The paintwork is swirly, as you can see. Yeah, it's in need of some TLC, but nothing that I can't sort out. So yeah, I'm going to get cracked on. I've already done all the decon wash, the claying. I've masked off all the kind of delicate areas. The wheels are off and away to the wheel specialist because it's also getting a full refurb done on them, diamond cut. So when they come back, hopefully on Wednesday, well, should be back on Wednesday, they'll get sealed and put back on the car. So yeah, this wee Golf is going to look absolutely fantastic. I'll see you right after this.
Drop.
Hi folks, just a wee update. Yesterday it was a whole load of work done on this. The kind of filming took a wee kind of touch to the back burner, but still managed to get some of the footage done. Pretty much about 80% of the machine corrections all been done. The boot lid's still to get done, the rear bumper and the roof skin. Yeah, it's looking absolutely fantastic. It's corrected up really well, looking at around about the kind of 90% correction kind of figures, which is really good. Solid kind of red paint, nice and flat, so it looks absolutely fantastic. The front section as well got the smart repair done by good friend David from Mayhem Bodyworks. Came up and done the smart repair. Whilst he was doing that, didn't want to be doing any polishing, so I painted round the rotors. The hub section of the rotors were looking quite rusted, so I've painted round them on all 4 of the rotors, polished the tailpipes up. The camera was put away whilst any of the kind of spraying was getting done, obviously so I didn't get overspray of that, and the whole car was covered, the entire car was covered on it, so there's absolutely zero oversprays went on this. Yeah, it's looking absolutely fantastic. So game plan for today is get the machine polishing completely finished, get the ceramic coating on, get the alloys back, get them sealed, get them on it, get the windows done, and that should be this car absolutely completed. So yeah, it's looking really good. I'm happy with the progress of it. I've sent the customer some pictures, so yeah, quite happy. The kind of game plan yesterday, hoping to get away at a sensible time, that just didn't happen at all. I didn't get finished until, well, left here at 10 o'clock. So yeah, it was a long day yesterday and I was up here since 8, but I'm ahead of the game for today. The stuff I would have to have done today, like painting round those rotors, doing the tailpipes, all that type of stuff, but all that's already been done whilst David was doing the smart repair in the front of it. So yeah, I'm happy with that. So I'm going to get cracked on, get a coffee, get an apple and a croissant, and then get the back section machine polished, drop it down, and then I'll do the roof. Right folks, that's the car now completely finished. I've just put a ceramic detailer over the top of the coating just to protect it during its initial curing phase, and also to boost overall protection. So yeah, lovely deep red colour on this. Alloys are back from the wheel specialist and they're looking pretty good. So yeah, I'm happy with the way this has turned out. For a car 10 years old, there's a couple of age-related marks on it, which there's nothing much been done about it unless I'm going into wet sanding. The roof was quite thin paint-wise, and there was signs of it having basically had a correction on it before. So that posed a wee kind of issue on there. Finishing the roof isn't quite the same as the rest of the car, but I've got it as glossy as possible. Still a couple of the deeper scratches. So yeah, it's looking good. The customer should hopefully be here shortly. A full schedule this month. It's only the 5th of the month. Sorry, it's the 6th of the month now, which is the obviously 6th of February, and that's been now completely booked out till March, which is absolutely fantastic. Next car I've got in. Nice big new Range Rover, so looking forward to getting that. Again, that's getting a ceramic coating done on it. All my cars the rest of the month are all getting ceramic coatings, all done over a couple of days, and it's great because I can relax into it, spend a bit of time. Also kind of hoping my wife doesn't watch this vlog, because last night I was sitting in bed and she'd fallen asleep and I ended up buying a new polisher. So I kind of hope she doesn't watch this vlog, and this is a good test, because she goes, oh yes, and it was really nice, and if she has watched it, then yeah, I'll probably get a text message or shouted at for spending hundreds of pounds on a polisher. That I kind of don't need, but I really kind of want. It's a new flex rotary. Well, it's not a new model, the model's been out for years, but obviously it's brand new flex rotary polisher, which will just help kind of speed these heavy corrections along. So I'm looking forward to getting hold of that, replace my old rotary, because it's it's not the best, it's kind of needing replaced anyway. So yep, looking forward to getting that, having a wee play with it. I've ordered a couple of different compounds as well, and there is also some pretty kind of exciting stuff upcoming for Blackbeards, which I might release in the next vlog. Don't want to kind of let things go a wee bit too early, because there's still some stuff I need to order in. Still some stuff I need to sort. I'm waiting on suppliers. But yeah, it's pretty exciting times up ahead, and it's exactly what I want. It's absolutely pouring my heart, my soul, my time into this business, and it's great seeing it starting to kind of really take off. So yeah, absolutely thrilled. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you're liking what you're seeing, please again leave a comment. If you don't, let me know what you don't like and I'll try and sort it. Somebody in the last video had messaged me saying, yeah, the sound isn't too great on it. I'm using it's an external mic that's attached onto the top of my camera, but I'm trying to get that fine line between I should be detailing cars, I shouldn't really be, well, it's not shouldn't, but my primary concern is getting the cars looking absolutely epic. The vlogs are more of a kind of side project for it. So if I'm then needing to set up external mics about the place, because I generally pick the camera up and I move it along and the camera's on the tripod, I just pick it up, pop it the next place, turn the mic on, turn the camera on, and then I can talk. If I'm having to set up a separate wee external mic and there's wires trailing about, it just adds on that wee bit extra time, which I don't really want to. I don't want the vlogs interfering in the amount of time it's taking to actually get the cars completed. So yeah, I apologise if some of you are having trouble with the sound, but I will maybe look at getting another external mic, which should maybe be better than the one I've already got, because I think that one's picking up a lot of the background noise. But yeah, anyway, again, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and I shall see you soon. Thank you.